guys. So it's been a bit of a strange one today. We came out to do some gardening, and first of all my partner found a hibernating hedgehog. It was about 4 foot off of the floor in our shed, and it was in our rolled up tarp. So I don't know, one, how it got in a closed shed, and two, how it got so high. I didn't know they could climb, and three, it hadn't chosen the best bedding material. So what I've done is we've given it a box, we've put some fleece in there, I've gently scooped him or her up, put him on the other fleece, and then we've laid a towel over the box just so it's nice and dark, and we're going to get some cat biscuits and some fresh water just in case it wakes up. There's not much we can do really, just leave him or her in the dark, nice and safe. It's probably the quietest part of the garden, to be honest. And then I came in the greenhouse to do some pottering and found that one of my polycarbonate panels had burst out of its runners. It was only on inspecting that I realised that it was my son's football that was the culprit. So about 15 minutes of sliding and pushing and using various tools, we managed to get it back in. Then we went to the oldest compost bin. My partner emptied most of it for me, and I was surprised to see that what used to be rock hard clay with turf on the top, which we put in there from when we put our path in, has now completely, or mostly, broken down, much less big clods of clay. Some of them were like that now, so I could just crumble them, mixed with the usual composty colour and texture. It's a much more improved clay now, and I've just used it to mulch a few of the beds. I've just found a huge hibernating hedgehog in the shed. Is it back in?
Yeah, apart from halfway down on the inside.
Oh, no, it's going. No, that's in. That's in. That is in. I think it just looks like it's not.
Yeah, then I thought we could get it.
Yeah, I just need to retape.